far. Ramses is loving all of the songs.
Fire.
I think I've liked like 2 of them so far.
Yeah, they're good. It's a good album.
We just got to Ikea. I'm here to get inspo because I want new furniture and I don't know exactly what I want, so I'm just gonna look around and check out the measurements of things. I want to get a new table, a new chair, and a new mirror, but let's see. And if we don't get that today, I'm just here for the Swedish meatballs. Is that what they're called?
Yeah. If you guys didn't know,
Swedish meatballs.
Swedish meatballs at Ikea are the best.
So we're here for lunch. What time is it? It's 1:18 right now, and we have fasted all morning. Have you eaten anything?
No.
Yeah, me neither. So we're gonna eat now. Are you happy? We devoured that shit.
So hungry.
Oh, it's good. Really good. I wish I had water though. Instead of Pepsi.
I should have gotten water.
Where? Oh, this one?
In white, right?
Yeah.
This is the white one right here.
Alright. We got a shelf and wine glasses.
Whatever you do, do not don't put them
Get them off.
Why? What happened when you put him?
He gets horny?
You don't want to find out, but no. You're gonna think it's cute until you don't trust it.
Look, Taylor Swift.
Oh yeah. Oh, pepper.
We got charcuterie boards.
Oh.
Ooh, who's that? Is that Joe Burrow?
Mami, Candy.
¿Cuento que es mi cumpleaños? Looking good, living good. Look at my right hand man right here. Look.
¿Qué? ¿Cómo qué?
Ese está rico, pero este está más rico. Dale, tira una foto, Nati. A ver, pero déjame verlo, coño.
Espérate, espérense.
Te televisor viejo.
Coño,
que yo tenía
una foto tuya aquí en el televisor.
Video, mira la foto, mira el regalo de José. Mira qué regalo más lindo.
Un televisor.
Here I am getting ready to go to a beauty event, my first ever beauty event. It's gonna be with Essence Makeup, and they're gonna have light bites, drinks, music. It's gonna be such a good time. I'm gonna get to network, hopefully meet some cool people. I'm so excited to be attending this event as a +1 with my friend Anna. She is the sweetest, and I'm so grateful for her and so happy she keeps me in mind for this. Okay, so I just did a little liner on this eye off camera. Let's see if I can do the other one on camera, okay? So, let's see. Let's see how well I do. I think I want to blend it out just a little bit. So since this is a beauty event, I want my makeup to look poppin' and to just stand out. So just enjoy these next few clips of me doing my makeup. Made it to the event. So we're just here vibing.
I bring the light, honey. We bring the love and the light. The light and love to the world. Como me estoy volviendo poeta. Salud.
They have an open bar.
We're ready to order Moscow Mule. My ass thought there were people in the pool. And it's like the makeup.
She secured the bag. The bag is secured. And nobody is playing. You've got to be kidding me. Like, nobody has noticed this. This is so freaking cute. Ooh, okay. So cute. Little cake pops. We decided to come eat at this place that Anna picked out for us called Chimba.
Chimba, Colombian.
Chimba. Let's see how the food is. Cheers, ladies.
I think we have to do it like 1, 2, 3, we come together. Cheers. No, I don't want that.
¿Cómo?
1, 2, 3, we come together. 1, 2,
2, 3. Cheers.
Yeah. Let's do another one like Disney.
Acá tenemos tiradito.
Oh, that is beautiful. Gracias. Here it is. Y 3. ¿Pidieron 2 postres? ¿Rola gorda? No, es que... Son gordas, marico. Ay, no kidding. Ay, no.
Last night was amazing. I got so much makeup, but there was girls 2 bags of makeup, just grabbing a bunch of makeup. I feel like I could have gotten more makeup, but I definitely got a lot of makeup from Essence, and I'm so excited to try some of their products. And the restaurant was really delightful. I loved the ambiance of the restaurant so much. I think it's a perfect place for like a date night, or like to catch up with some friends, or like a little girls night out. So if you're looking to have good dinner, or a good brunch, or just looking to eat some good food, definitely check out Chimba. It was chef's kiss. Thank you for watching if you made it this far along in the video. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe if you like this type of content. I'm gonna try to be making more content like this more often, just more for me, because I just want to have memories in my life. So yeah, if you like this type of content, subscribe and stay tuned for more. And I'll see you soon. Bye.